Cup, the FIA GT World Cup. Let's go racing. Is going to have a go. It is 16 laps. It's the FIA GT World Cup for the Macao GT Cup, and it is go with a really good stop. Yes! This entry is just awesome. Every star GT3 driver that you can possibly imagine.
Everybody knows how special Macao is, especially because of the atmosphere. The fans here are crazy, but crazy in a good way.
Macao is an incredible place to race at. Simply the track is amazing. Probably the biggest challenge in motorsport. It demands everything from you. That challenge is simply what we all love and why it's a bucket list dream place to win.
Imagine racing at a speed of 285 km per hour between 9 meters of two walls. That's pretty special.
I would say Macao is the ultimate test for any GT driver. The track itself is full of danger areas, and we love that. We love that kind of experience. I think Nordschleife, Bathurst comes really close to it, but nothing really beats Macao.
Gets a very good start. There's a bit of contact between Maro Engel and the front.
Macao is already an incredibly challenging racetrack. When you add the weather into the mix and some rain, then it makes it even more challenging.
The weather condition of this year looks like pure gambling as we play in Macao.
Green flag on the timing line. Maro Engel dives out of the spray on the outside. This race is coming to life corner by corner. Engel gets through, Marcus gets through, Maxwell keeps going. And Maro Engel is going to be laughing all the way to the casino tonight, isn't he? Because that's played out perfectly in front of him. The Macao GT Cup is going to be won by Maro Engel. He crosses the line victorious for Mercedes-AMG. And that was a race that nobody could have predicted.
As sweet as it is, this victory is even sweeter, as we didn't have the fastest car and we took it home. So I can only congratulate the team, the engineering crew and Mauro for fighting to the end and never give up.
It's an incredible relief and sense of proudness of the whole team, of the effort we all did together. So many emotions, so many races that we've had here, highs and lows, another magical Macao.